Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to turn a avocado log that we picked up on the side of the road. I made a video about how we forage that from the avocado farm when they leave the wood on the side of the road. So I'm going to take a small piece of it and I'm going to turn a little bud vase. So right now I'm cutting the tenon, put on my 4-jaw chuck, remount it back in, and I'm going to start shaping it. So right now I'm working the bottom. And now I'm using a roughing gouge to get the shape. So I really like to use the roughing gouge at the beginning. So you can see the bud vase is slowly taking shape. This one I'm going to make it, I'm kind of designing it like after our onion plant. So the big bulb at the bottom and the stems coming up. So now I'm going to mount my Jacob's chuck and a Forstner bit, and I'm going to drill the hole. Now, what I'm doing here is I need to make the mouth a little wider so I can get the Forstner bit as far in as it will go. So now I'm just working on the inside. I don't have anything to get all the way to the bottom reliably, so I'm using my carbide tool and my scraper, and I got that pretty much done. What I'm doing here is I'm sanding it. I start at 120 and I'm going to go all the way up to 400. What I did right there is I patched a little hole, a little crack with some UV resin. I really like to use UV resin. So I found another crack, patched it, sanded it. UV resin, especially in the hot Kona sun, hardens really fast. So now I'm taking it up to 240 and I'll end at 400. So right here, I'm applying some sanding sealer and then some uh, friction polish. So I'm going to apply just 2 coats, buff it out, and that'll be pretty much it for this guy. So I'm going to part it off, and it kind of fell off. Here's how it came out. Came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Our avocado wood bud vase. Thanks for watching, and aloha.